I've just about finished fully recorking the hull of this 1950s cabin cruiser, and I'll show you what I did to recork it. Above the waterline, I hammered the cotton in hard so that even in the heat of summer she won't open up and develop cracks. But below the waterline, because the planks are so dry and have shrunk, I only need to put the cotton into place to let the planks soak up and expand and close the cotton into the seam. First thing I do is paint primer into the seam, and that holds the cotton in place once it dries. So just get the brush in and paint along, get your edges nicely coated. And now, because the seam is nice and regular and the cotton is just the right size for the seam, I can go along. It's just a matter of pushing it into place. You want to push it in just deep enough to allow to have putty put in over the top. Give it another coat of primer. And the garboard seam, which attaches the garboard plank to the keel, is exactly the same. It's a little bit dirty, so I'll give it a bit of a brush out. Get plenty of paint up into there. And just send it in.